What is shh and what is a routine?
Notice that I blocked the sound from when it said the name a minute ago. I'll continue to do that throughout this video because I know how aggravating it can be to watch something like this and have the devices in your home come alive each time the name is said.
First, I'll talk about shh, and then I'll go into what a routine is and show you how to create one. I'm Liz with the Aw Crap team. You may have heard people throw the terms around such as smart speaker and shh. So what is it that makes a speaker smart? Smart speakers do not only play sound, they are interactive in that you can actually talk to it and have it do more things than just play music. You can, of course, play radio stations, podcasts, which are pre-recorded audio-only episodes, get information, and much, much more. Shh is the name of the smart speakers produced by Amazon. I have a couple of smart speakers that are called Echo Dots, which I bought on Amazon. Perhaps you already shop online, or at least know that other people shop online and buy things through Amazon. Here's what I have. Why would you even want one of these? Rather than tell you, we're going to show you. First of all, let's do the standard stuff. Shh. Play KUAZ.
KUAZ FM from Alicia's TuneIn.
Support comes from Tucson International Airport.
Play some soft jazz.
Orange County, California.
The station, Vocal Jazz, on Amazon Music.
Shh. Play music like Joe Bonamassa.
Sure. Here's some similar music, featuring songs by Joe Bonamassa and others.
Perhaps you want to get a little more specific. Shh. Play Lullaby of the Leaves by Beth Hart and Joe Bonamassa.
Here's Lullaby of the Leaves by Beth Hart, Joe Bonamassa, on Amazon Music.
Shh. Play Grieg's Concerto in A minor.
Grieg, Piano Concerto in A minor, Opus 16, to Adagio, by Stephen Kovacevic, BBC Symphony Orchestra and others, on Amazon Music.
Lovely. So it's got radio and music, but it's interactive, and it's also what you want to hear, when you want to hear it. Let's do some more. Shh. Play the podcast Science Friday.
Getting Science Friday from Amazon Music. Here's episode 652, Best Science Books for Kids.
Gift-giving season is approaching. We'll help you find
Nice.
the perfect gift.
Okay, so now what if you're all snuggled up in bed? Shh. What time is it?
It's 3:15 p.m.
Shh. What's the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Tucson, you'll see lots of sun and can expect a high of 73 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 45 degrees.
She's so much more, or he, depending on your voice, and the developers are improving it all of the time. Here are some examples. Say you're surfing the TV and you see a movie that you aren't sure if you want to see or not. It's on YouTube and there isn't a trailer available to preview. Shh. What is the movie The Hustle about?
The Hustle is a 2019 comedy starring Anne Hathaway, Rebel Wilson, and Alex Sharp.
There you go.
Two con women, one lo-
Shh. Stop. You'll have to ask that one yourself. Shh. So who won the last World Series?
In the 2023 World Series, the Texas Rangers beat the Arizona Diamondbacks in 5 games.
Shh. How old is Joyce Meyer?
Joyce Meyer is 80 years old.
Shh. Tell me about Jeff Bezos.
Jeffrey Preston Bezos is an American entrepreneur, media proprietor and investor.
Shh. To stop. So I have conversations with the speakers all day. Shh. What is the nutritional content of a poppy seed muffin?
A poppy seed muffin typically has 348 calories, 4 grams of protein, 48 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of dietary fiber, 30 grams of sugar,
Wow.
25 milligrams of...
Shh. Stop. So that's after I've eaten it, of course. Okay, so let's talk about routines now. Routine is a great way to automate what you want her to do by grouping together several actions and then have some way to trigger it. The trigger can be done by either a voice command, the time of day, and other such things. Do you know that I sometimes snore? So we'll open a simple routine that gets triggered by the sound of snoring and says out loud, "Liz, you're snoring." It really does help. So when the dog next door started to bark, the speaker would howl like a wolf. That shut him up. Bark, 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 bark.
One disclaimer to make. This is not a sponsored video. Liz and I are not paid to endorse or teach you how to use this. We both have devices that we purchased with our own money, and we like them enough that we want to let you understand what they are and how to use them. However, in the description below, we have some links where you can purchase Amazon Alexa devices from the Amazon store if you wish to. We do have an affiliate agreement with Amazon, and if you use these links to purchase a device, we'll get a tiny commission that helps support this channel. But it won't cost you a cent more than if you searched for it yourself. So I hope you'll use the link if you plan to buy one. There are so many things that can be done with the Amazon. Now, as Liz pointed out, routines really open up some of the best features of these devices. Routines let you specify things that will happen under certain circumstances. A simple routine would be something like take the garbage out on garbage days that I set up. Garbage pickup usually happens early Monday mornings at my home, so I have a simple routine that says every Sunday at 6 p.m. should make an announcement to all the devices saying, remember to take the garbage cans out. One that's a bit more complex says that if it's after the sun goes down and before it comes back up the next day, that's a condition or a requirement for the routine. And if the motion sensor in the hallway detects motion, it should turn on the hallway lights for a few minutes. Now, in addition to routines, we have skills. There's another feature of the devices that I used in the previous routine example. Alexa will interface with many smart devices and services. A good example are the hallway lights that are controlled in the previous routine and the motion detector. In fact, I have virtually all of the lights wired in our house with smart switches and then tied to Many add-in features can be added to expand the abilities of We'll talk about some of those other features and other devices that can connect to it in future videos. But please make sure you subscribe to our channel so you'll see these videos as they come out. Now, keeping it safe. You may have heard claims that the Amazon devices are spying on you or that they hear everything you say. Well, there's an ounce of truth to that. It doesn't worry us here at the Awekrap team. Obviously, for these devices to be ready at a moment's notice to respond to your requests, they have to listen for the wake word. If you have any concern about what it records, you can review that on your app. You can review every time your devices respond to what it thinks is a wake world. Go to settings in your app and then to privacy. And then there are various logs you can check on as shown here. You can also clear these histories at any time if you're concerned about them. Again, generally, I'm not concerned about the information it stores. It's really just listening for that wake word, and it discards everything else. One thing I did change early on was to turn off Alexa's ability to purchase things from my Amazon account. Frankly, I just don't like the idea of a program ordering items. Considering the number of times that misunderstands what I say, I didn't like the possibility that it could be placing orders by accident. Now, there are many more features hidden within your devices and the smartphone app that controls them. Some may have value for seniors, but rather than clutter this video with all of the options, we'll have short videos in the future to discuss those options. So make sure you've subscribed to this channel so you'll see when new videos are posted. And thank you.
Alexa. Oh, I wanted to say. Okay, so I think I'm done.
App.